Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to connect a 3-volt LED to a higher voltage, one it's not designed for. I think many people know that if you connect an LED to a higher voltage, it will burn out very quickly, either immediately or after some time. The operating voltage of 5mm LEDs is about 3 volts, but in addition to this low voltage, they often have to be connected to a higher voltage, to 5, 9, 12, 24, and even line voltage. Now I'll show examples for 12 volts, but the same calculations can be used for other voltages. The easiest way to lower the voltage is to add a resistor. It will limit the current, and a certain voltage will develop across it. But we don't know what resistance this resistor should have. To calculate this, we need to know how much current the LED consumes. Information on how much current an LED consumes can be found online or measured yourself. I'm currently using 3 volts from the power supply, and it turns out the LED consumes 13 to 14 milliamps. Increasing the voltage further doesn't increase the brightness much, but the current consumption becomes very high. With such a high current, the LED begins to noticeably heat up. It will work in this mode, but its lifespan will be significantly reduced. Therefore, it's best to use 3 volts as the operating voltage. Now we can do some simple calculations and figure out what resistor we need. The power supply voltage is 12 volts, and the LED voltage is 3 volts. Subtract 3 from 12 to get 9 volts. This is the voltage the resistor should cancel. Next, take the LED's current consumption of 13 milliamps and convert to amperes. This gives us 0.013 amperes. Then divide 9 volts by the current to get 692. This will be the resistor's resistance. Resistors with this resistance aren't available, so I'll use what I have, 680 ohms. You don't always have to use the exact same resistors as the ones you get from the calculations. You can always use a slightly higher or slightly lower resistance. In my work, I usually assume the LED current is 10 milliamps. The LED's brightness doesn't change, but the manufacturer's calculations are much simpler. To suppress 9 volts, you need a 900 ohm resistor, and to suppress 1 volt, you need 100 ohms. If maximum brightness isn't needed, resistors 1.5 or 2 times larger can be used. When choosing a resistor, be sure to consider its wattage. With low voltage and current, this can be overlooked. For example, in our case, the resistor drops 9 volts with a current of 13 milliamps. The power dissipated in the resistor is approximately 0.1 watt. That's not much. Almost any resistor will do. But if the supply voltage is much higher, say 42 volts, and the LED is a 3-volt one, then the resistor will have to dissipate 39 volts. Multiply 39 by 0.013 amperes, and you get 0.5 watts. That's quite a lot. Not every resistor will do. You'll have to use a resistor rated for 1 or 2 watts. It's not hard to guess that if you need to power the LED from line voltage, you'll need a resistor several watts more powerful. Now let's put the circuit together and see what we've come up with. I powered the LED through a resistor and applied 12 volts, but the current remained the same, 13 milliamps. Nothing happened to the LED. You can measure the voltage with a multimeter. The overall voltage is 12 volts, but only 3 volts are reaching the LED. The remaining 9 volts are deposited across the resistor. Now you can connect the LED to the battery without worrying about it burning out. That's all for today. Like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and bye everyone.